Now I am explaining about the Practicum 7 video employment management system. Where I already typed the code first itself. Include studio.ho is for input and output function to print, scanf, printf and scanf. String function is for handling the basic functions. Now I am defining the size of size 10. That's why I declared employees that size is 10. Now using the main functions employee ID for integer that stores the ID in the stores the ID in the integer, employment name that stores the employee names in the strings or characters, salary employment salaries for to store employee salaries like decimal values. I use the variable choice count I search ID found choice used for menu option count a number of employees stored where I for looping variable search ID is ID to search found is flag that it's found or not. I am using a while for loop to print like menu. If you want a employment, if you want to add the employment details, you can you want type one for search employee. You can type two. Display all. If you want to display all the employees name, you can press three. If you want to exit, you can press four. You can use choice. You can enter your choice. Yeah, I'm using the switch cases to add display and search the employees IDs. Now that's why I'm using the count. If count is greater than size, less than size means you can use case one. Like if only looping if printf enter the details for employee. If you can enter the details for the employee like count plus one means if you enter the employment details it's already zero. If you add new one it will become one. Zero plus one one. Next, enter the employment ID. You can buy the using scanf to buy the from users. You enter name like using scanf. Same it's same for all these full cases. If a scanf to buy the user input count plus plus means it will incremented. If it is else is the count is greater than size means it will else employment list is full because I have already given the size is 10. It is about 10 it will display the employment list is full. If you press the choice as 2, if the count is equal to 0 means in your company no one is available, that's why it will show no employee data available. Otherwise if it is count is not equal to 0 0 it will come. Yeah, this it will the looping statement will break and it will come to this cases. You enter if you want to search that for here you want to search employment ID. No, if you press choice the two you can search employment ID details fully. If enter your employment ID and it will check all the for loop conditions like condition equal to zero. Count is like if you, how much you will increase it will incremented. It will I plus plus it will incremented. If you press the correct employment ID, it will found it and it will give ID, name, and salary. It will found after it will incremented. If it is not found, the employment ID is not found. If you press the case 3, the employment count equal to 0, same as it is the case 2, but it's some different. What is the print? If it is else, the condition is else. I will print all the employment ID, employment name, and employment salary itself. We are using a form function for slash d is for integers, you are entering the ID. That's why using slash d. For employment name, using the string slash s. Employment salary it's a floating point value, that's why using f for f as formatting specify. If you press the case 4 it will exit the program. Otherwise the default you print the invalid. Now we can see the output of this code. Wait, run running term. Okay, they shown employment management menu. If you want I want to add employees details, that's why I pressed the one entered. They asked enter the employment ID. I given one not 1,000 1,000 name like Ravi something, salary something I entered. Now we the employment detail one is added. Again, I want to add some one more detail for another person. Okay, from sorry, enter the choice. Two. Oh, no, I want to add. That's why I entered one. Employment enter the details for employee two. I already enter the employee one here. Now I am here entering the employment employee two one two two. Next enter the if they ask name something I will give salary 2000. Now I want to search employment ID because I have stored two members employee one and employee two. I am pressing choice two. Okay, choice two. I want to search a DOM ID. That's why using ID 1102. It will display employee found ID. Okay, wow. I want to search. Wait, I will give another choice as two. I'm giving wrong number because I want to check it's working or not. See, I given it's I 1003. I will not stored, but it will show employee ID one of this not found. Okay, wow. Now I display all the employees. Okay, I press choice three. It will display employee one and employee two. Okay, wow. Now I want to exit. That's why I have to press four. Exit program. The program is done. That's it. The practicum one first question. Now I want to explain the second question. Same as it is, but we want to find the highest index because which person is buying highest salary. Same as it is this program. All those things, but using a structure character names 50 float because the salary is floating point value. That's why I use the floated the same as it is like add a, I want to find highest salary. That's why I used it two way. From this program, first program we used the second one as a search. Now we are using the highest salary value same as it is the program, but in the second cases we want to find the highest salary person. That's why using these cases salary greater than salary is greater than equal to highest index dot salary. We are using same as it is, but some modification in the second cases. That's it. Okay, now no employees available. It is not equal to zero. Same as it is. We are using some modifications in the first program. That's the smallest thing in this second practicum. Employee slash d same. We are using slash d slash and floating point. Same as the program involves it. Same as it is. Now we can write because the only difference is yeah the first program using search. That's why now using highest. The given question is to find the highest salary person. Now I am running the code. Enter your choice. I want to first add some people. Okay, choice one. Name who person something I am given. Salary. Okay. I have entered this much details. Okay, I want to add some other people. Okay, choice one. Name Ravi something. Salary isn't something. Now I want to find highest salary value. That's why using two the given see the Ravi is the highest salary. That's why you see compared to this two one the Ravi has the highest value. That's why it's given the highest salary is Ravi and his salary packages. I am using to display all the employees. I have given three employee one person and employee two Ravi. I want to exit this program. That's why for exit the program. Okay, the same as it is all. We want to change little bit in this that from first program to second program. Same little bit changes. Now we can see third program. Okay, wow. Now you see in that day from this two program first we have search the employee ID and it is details. In the practicum 2 we have seen about the second one as the highest salary packages from the employees. Now we have to find how many employments in our department like some departments to find count same as it is add. We are changing the second cases only and third case is display exit. We are using see name department because we are using department to find no. Also using department and float salary same as it is. Add employee details same display. Enter your choice. Okay, same. We are using it because employee count is zero. That's why using employee because if you given means zero plus one is one. It starts from count zero plus one. It starts from one and the length to find the length we are using one plus zero plus employment count plus one. Using same as it is. So in the second cases we want to find how much members in our department. That's why using count employee count equals zero. If it is no employee, it will no show no employees and break the statement. After this, if it will come to next enter department given info department number CO. For example, it will show how much a person in the CO department. It will print like for loop. We are using the for loop. I greater than because the employment count is zero. If it is I zero greater than or equal to zero, it will go inside. It will exit again because for loop is a iterative statement like repeating same as it is. If it is when it's true, it will end this statement and will be execute same as it is as that is case 3 to display all the employees in our department in our departments. Same for case 4 exit program the same as it is a 3 program. There are changes in the switch cases the case 2 only some little bit changes in these cases. Now we can run this code. First I want to add some employees then only I can do how much count in our department. Okay, first one choice one name Ravi. Department I given CO. Okay, salary something I given. Next I given to some so much of departments annually we can find how much department peoples in our department. Ram is the ADS department I given simply salary. Given see we are different departments CO and ADS. Given another department choice one to add. Mhm. CO department salary 20,000 same as it is. Now I counting the employment count the employees in the department. That's why using to enter department name to search. I'm using CO. It's showing two in CO department two members are available. I to display C3 enter showing all the department members giving the exit program. It's exit. It's all about this only this practicum the three programs because there's some little bit changes in this first practicum we are using to search the employment ID in the second cases and the switch cases in the second cases we are using the employee searching employee and the second practicum practicum 7 the second case second question we are using the highest salary packages to find. The third question we are using how much employees in our department. That's it, the practicum is over and this seventh practicum is done.